You are looking at dead things right now. Every star you see tonight, some of them died millions of years ago. You're not seeing stars, you're seeing ghosts. But here's the thing. Scientists believe there's something far bigger, far more terrifying than that. What if the entire universe, everything that exists, is already dead? And we just don't know yet? Let me tell you something nobody actually explains properly. Light travels at 300,000 kilometers per second. That sounds insane, but in the scale of the universe, it's almost nothing. The closest star to Earth, 4 light-years away. That means the light you see from it tonight left that star 4 years ago. You're not seeing the star, you're seeing its memory. But the bigger stars? The ones that shine brightest in the sky? Some of them are 1,000 light-years away. 2,000. 10,000. The light reaching your eyes right now left those stars when human civilization was just getting started. How do we actually know those stars still exist? We don't. NASA has a problem, a massive problem, one they don't really talk about out loud. When they point the James Webb Space Telescope into the deepest parts of space, they see galaxies, hundreds of billions of them. But the light coming from the farthest ones took over 13 billion years to reach us. What the telescope is seeing right now is an image of the universe when it was less than 1 billion years old. We are seeing a past so distant it has nothing to do with the present. And now here's the part that makes scientists genuinely uncomfortable. The universe is expanding, not just expanding, accelerating. The farthest galaxies are moving away from us faster than the speed of light. Nothing can catch them. No signal, no light, no information. Nothing. Which means there is a hard edge to what we can observe. And everything beyond that edge? Gone. Forever. So here's the real question. What if this applies to everything? In 1950, physicist Enrico Fermi was eating lunch with colleagues, and out of nowhere, he asked one simple question that changed space science forever. He said, "Where is everybody?" Hard pause. The universe is 13.8 billion years old. There are hundreds of billions of galaxies. Each galaxy has hundreds of billions of stars. Many of those stars have planets. Mathematically, there should be civilizations out there. Thousands of them. Millions. But nothing. No signals, no artificial light, no response, nothing. Scientists called this the Fermi paradox. And one of its most terrifying explanations is called the Great Filter. The idea. Maybe there's something in the evolution of civilizations, a wall, a barrier, that everything eventually hits and can't survive. Maybe we haven't hit it yet. Or maybe we're standing right in front of it. But the most disturbing explanation isn't even that one. Direct eye contact into the camera. The most disturbing explanation is this. Maybe the universe already died. Every civilization in it died with it. And we just haven't received the news yet. Let me walk you through the full scenario. Stay with me. 5 billion years ago, in a galaxy far from here, there was a civilization, advanced, far beyond us by millions of years. They were sending signals into space, searching for neighbors, hoping someone was out there. Then, silence. Maybe their star exploded. Maybe their planet froze. Maybe something worse happened, something we don't even have a name for. But the signal they sent? Still traveling, still moving through space, getting closer to us, slowly, step by step. And one day, maybe in 1,000 years, maybe 1,000,000, it will arrive. And when it does, we'll know. We were never truly alone. The universe was full of life once, and it died. Now flip that scenario completely. We, humans, who's to say we're not that civilization? Who's to say that somewhere right now, on a planet light years away, there's a creature sitting exactly where you're sitting, looking at their sky, searching for us, finding nothing, and they're asking themselves, are we alone? And the answer that will never reach them is, no, you just couldn't hear each other. So, what if this is happening right now? What if civilizations sent signals millions of years ago, and those signals are on their way to us? And when they finally arrive, there's no one left to receive them? The universe doesn't warn you. It doesn't send a notification. It doesn't wait. And here's the question I want you to sit with tonight. The stars you see right now, their light left them thousands of years ago, which means you're not looking at the universe. You're looking at the universe's memory. And if the universe is already dead, you're sitting inside the memory of something that no longer exists, looking up at it, calling it beautiful. And the most terrifying part, you would never know the difference. So, that's the scenario. That's the what if. Is it real? Nobody knows. And that's exactly what makes it terrifying. What I do know is this: in a universe this massive, with this many galaxies and stars and possibilities, complete silence means one of two things. Either life is incredibly rare, or it always ends. And the question scientists keep putting on the table is, us, humanity, where are we in that story? Drop your answer in the comments. And if this video made you think, or kept you up even a little, the like button tells me to keep making this kind of content. Next video, something much closer to home. Something happening right now, and it might have already started.